And now we journey to Portland, a parish blessed with breathtaking natural beauty, from the majestic Blue Mountains to its world-famous beaches and rivers. Representing the parish of beauty and serenity, please welcome CHRISTINA Williams.
They say Jamaican youth are the future. Like it's a compliment. Like the future is somewhere distant. And the people them were already born haven't arrived yet. But me remember when Melissa passed through. The future arrived early. And our youth in a them box braid, water boot, the t-shirt them wet and soaked through. They showed up with hearts and hands and a refusal to not let Jamaica fall. And Jamaica did not fall. But Lord, Jamaica bend. But my Jamaican people know how to bend without breaking. So tonight, me salute every youth who held a mop, held a neighbor, held a prayer. When there was almost nothing left in the West to hold on to. Where you say front row, every youth way, stream update, call shelter, organize donation. Young people over there in the audience, no make nobody tell you say, you're just the future. You are the present of your nation. And we never do it for no likes or no pretense. Just mud pan them boots, yeah, and a good conscience. I thank the 2,000 youth who volunteered with me, diligently and creatively, so that Jamaica may, under God, increase and regain its beauty. So when them are talk about building back Jamaica better and stronger, we must consider that it's not just the youth of the alleged future. It's the youth of the present that's going to make Jamaica truly resilient.
Eternal Father, Father, bless our land. I pray you guide us.
Let's hear it for Miss Portland,